Make yourself do a favor by pressing the red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Hi guys, Apple has announced its first public beta for the macOS Mojave, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can install it on your Mac. First, we need to register ourselves over at beta.apple.com. Link is down in the description. Now, if this is your first time installing any public beta from Apple, you'll have to sign up. In case you've done that before, you just need to sign in. So, we'll be signing in with our Apple ID. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll have to enter the verification code. Now, the whole process is divided into 4 stages. First, creating a backup since it is still a beta release. Second, enrolling your device to make it eligible for the beta update. If you try downloading the new macOS Mojave from the App Store without enrolling the device, you'll get an error message asking you to enroll your device first. Third, downloading and installing the update. Fourth, providing back with, you guessed it, feedback. So after enrolling your device, a software will get downloaded on your Mac, running which will make your device eligible for the update. After this, you need to head to the App Store to download the macOS Mojave. The operating system is around 5.67 GB and will take time to download depending on, you guessed it, your internet speed. Once that is done, we can install the software. The installation process will run for 3 to 4 minutes and then ask you to restart the computer. Now the software will get installed and it will take around 30 to 35 minutes, and then it will finally boot into macOS Mojave. It will ask you to choose between a light or a dark look, and then you're good to go. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here are some other videos that you might like. Thank you for watching. Peace.